How's it going tonight, everybody, and welcome back to Shane's Mechanic Life. Well, my old Red Wing boots are due for new insoles. Last couple days, it's actually gotten quite annoying. Putting my boots on in the morning, get your feet in there, and as you can see, these are bunching up underneath your socks, just driving me crazy. Time for some new insoles. And I remember seeing quite a bit on the internet, some insoles made by Stepprs. So, keeping true with my channel, all my reviews, these are all products I bought with my own money. Nobody sent them to me for free to try out, so you're going to get an honest opinion. So, I figured I'd try these Stepprs. Supposed to be instant relief. Now, I got these off of Amazon, and just to be cautioned, there's a lot of kind of knockoff things. I got these from the actual Stepprs site. Let's open them up, see what we got here. I figure I'm going to try these in my boots, and I'm going to give you a follow-up the day after, a week after, and a month after using the Stepprs Insoles, and I'll let you know what I think of them, how they feel, and pull them out of the boots and show you how they're holding up. Well, let's match them up to my other insoles, cut them to fit, and put them in the boots. Now, already comparing, these are more of a memory foam. It's got a fairly thick arch. The ones I had in were more of a molded footpad. A little bit harder, a little bit firmer. So I would imagine you're going to get more life out of something like this compared to this. But it makes your feet feel good. You don't mind putting a new pair in every so often. And I will try them for the day tomorrow. Now, I am in my boots most days in excess of 12 hours. So I'll know pretty early on what my first impressions are. So I got the first day under my belt with my new Stepprs insoles, and so far they feel good. Different, but they feel good. You can apparently the inside of my boots are pretty dirty. To tell you the truth, I think I've been used to the firmer insoles like these. To get something this soft, it's a different sensation, to tell you the truth. What I'd compare it to is it almost feels like my socks are too big. Like feels like they kind of bunch up underneath. I guess that's these bumps and just the soft padding. Will it be something I get used to? I guess time will tell. So I'm going to touch base with you guys again after a week, and we'll pull them back out, see how they're holding up, and see if I'm getting used to them, if I'm liking them more or less. Time will tell. Okay, now I'm back after a full work week. As you can see, I've averaged 10,000 or plus steps every day with my new Stepprs insoles. So far, they're still comfortable. To tell you the truth, the softness of the insole, I'm still getting used to it. It still feels like my socks are too big. Something's kind of bunching up with the... I imagine it's because of the raised bits here. As you can see, they're not looking new anymore. Pretty dirty. They were, 10-month-old boots to begin with, so they're pretty dirty on the inside. Durability wise, they're holding up. I don't see anything broken down. And like I said, every day this week I've put in, on average over 10,000 steps. Seem to be comfortable. My feet aren't aching or anything, but again, still getting used to them. Maybe in the next week or so, I'll fully get used to them. We'll put them back in, and I'm going to run them for the balance of the month and come back after 30 days. But one thing I noticed on the other reviews and commercials, you know, they tend to, like, they double stack them. It's like, oh, look how soft they are. But really, I've never seen anybody put 2 insoles in one boot, especially doubling them up like that. But you can still see they're still thick. They haven't broken down. Yeah, I put the miles in on these boots, that's for sure. So I'm going to put them back in the boots, and we'll check in after 30 days. Okay, it's been a month since I've been rolling with the Stepprs Insoles. And as you can see, for the last 4 weeks, I've been averaging anywhere between 10 to 15,000 steps. So, you're getting an honest opinion. I'm not just sitting behind a computer. I'm putting the miles in here. I haven't had them out of the boots since the 1 week update. So let's pull them out. Okay, we're starting to curl here a little bit. They seem to be holding up. Still relatively comfortable. But if you had to ask me, would I say these are any better than any of the other competition out there? I'd have to say no. You know, they're not uncomfortable. As you can see, I'm putting a lot of steps in. My knees are feeling good. My hips are feeling good. My feet are feeling good. So they do the trick. But are they above and beyond what other companies have to offer? I'd have to say no. It's just another average insole, if you ask me. And if you spend a few more dollars, you might get something that helps your feet just a little bit more. Are they worth the money you pay when you get them? 100% yes. They're a quality insole. As you can see, I've run them for over a month. They're holding up. Do you get what you pay for with the Stepprs Insoles? 100%. But, you know, are they the end all, be all, make your feet feel like $1 million? They're no different than any other insole out there. And as you can see, like I said before, they're definitely holding up. Fabric starting to curl a little bit, but for the price you pay, definitely feel pretty good. Well, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when we get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and keep your boots on.